I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to take apart a Samsung Impression. Remember, phase 1 is pretty simple. Phase 2, you got to be very gentle. You can start off by taking off the back cover. Take off the battery and set it aside. As you can see, I've already taken off all the screws. You start off with this corner one, this one, this one. There are many other screws that follow in that same pattern. It should be easy to come off. If you have any problems, set it on the floor. Put everything back together. You slide it open. Set it on the back. And you just mainly apply the following. You can now get to your motherboard. Easy and quick. Go. And that is how to take apart a Samsung Impression. Thank you for watching, and many videos to come.